What is up, guys? It's Caleb once again. I'm going to give you guys 4 benefits of intermittent fasting. Alright, and they're really incredible, especially the last 2. The reason why I started doing intermittent fasting is because going through certain struggles inside, or even if you have, say, addictions, or you like to drink alcohol, I don't, or smoke ganja, which is okay, but if you can't control that, or if you're going through something tough like a breakup, or you've been separated from your children, or you're struggling with finances, whatever it is, or if it's all the above, I know it because I've gone through all before. And so my very first relationship was about nearly 8 years long, and we split. She stayed traveling in China, and I went back to the States to try to go to school. And I was devastated. I couldn't eat food for 2 weeks. What? And I think that was the first time that I ate a mango after fasting, and it was delicious. And so it's been something kind of natural for me whenever I'm going through some type of deep pain inside of me and you can't escape it. Or if, say, mentally your thoughts are just taken over and you feel you can't escape your mind and you feel like you're stuck, or if you're highly attached to your emotions and you've been really emotional lately, and you want to break those chains, you want to disconnect from that, whether it's addiction, the emotions, or the pain, whatever it is, fasting has really helped me. And there are also incredible benefits to fasting. One, of course, that you'll lose fat. Yes, of course, it eats the fat. And it'll eat the fat off your body. I don't even know if I have fat on my body, maybe a tiny bit. Never really had a bunch of fat on my body. But yeah, it will eat away at the fat. It will tone you if you're looking for something like that. For me, it has been a total of 3 days and some change of me fasting. Basically 16 hours without eating. You can do more than that. I think the first day, I went around 16 hours and I had a snack, some tuna, and then didn't eat anything. And then after another 16 hours on the third night, I just had some peanut butter bread or something. Another really cool benefit about intermittent fasting or fasting is it stimulates growth hormones. Isn't that neat? Growth hormones? You don't gotta take steroids. Growth hormones, right? By fasting, you can produce higher levels of this, and that will burn fat. It also might fill up my chest here. What? It's too hot to wear a shirt right now. But the human growth hormone that is being stimulated, it'll help you burn fat. It'll also help you gain muscle, which is crazy. I mean, I'm guessing that's also like 16 hours not eating, 8-hour window where you can eat something, where you're gaining muscle. But that's pretty neat. It stimulates growth hormones. And what happens when you fast, guys, is pretty incredible. I mean, you're challenged with your desires of the body and feeling the hunger, and by resisting that and not listening to that and putting your energy elsewhere, being still and whatever it may be, you're training your body and your mind to be subservient to you, to be in control of it, to be higher than your mind and your body, to be above it, in a sense, to detach from things that control you. That has been my experience as far as spiritually doing fasting. Things are definitely more clear about myself and about the world. So the last 2 benefits of fasting, guys, is cellular repair. Yeah, that's right. Repair your cells on a cellular level. When your body is not occupied with breaking down food and distributing it, instead, your body goes into cleaning mode and begins to clean up any waste left behind that has been there for years or hasn't been able to get to because it's been so busy digesting all the time, routinely, every day, every week, every month, every year, right? So it gives it time to get rid of those things, as well as clean your cells the cytoplasm, I believe they call it, to clean your cells and renew your cells. And this is part of the last benefit, which is gene expression. And the gene expression is anti-aging. And that's because your cells are being renewed. They're being cleansed and they're being renewed. So it can help you stay young, help you stay strong, help you stay fresh, help you stay clean inside. It's something you use as a tool. Okay? So it's been pretty great for me. I might break the fast today and eat my first meal after 3 days. Feeling pretty good. Feeling like I got a lot of the effects. So yeah, let me know if you guys try it, or if you're going through something difficult, give it a try and let me know how it helps you and clears things up for you. Or if you have any addictions or anything, give it a go and see if it helps you break those and have a clear mind. Anyways guys, it's Caleb. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment of your experience. If you're new to the channel and enjoyed this, go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. I love you guys.